And here they are. Ready na po sila. Hi! Hi, sir!
Hi.
Ayan. Okay, so many people are here. Ayan, si Mang Inasal. Ayan na po. They're ready. Look at them. People are here today for this opening of the new Mang Inasal here at Newport. So bukas na po ang ating Newport na Mang Inasal. Ayan, for VIPs only. Oo, I got from a very reliable source na bukas na sila. Kaya andito na po tayo. Kanina. Ayan o. Bukas pa actually ang actual day for the opening for customers. Ngayon po, blessing lang siya at saka special visitors and guests. Ayan. Ha? Halo-halo na lang po kulang.